Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So if you are interested in watching these kind of videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So let's get started. Now to make the mixture, you have to take 1 cup of POP, that is plaster of Paris, and half cup of water. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this one. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel, do watch my other videos as well. Till then,
see you next time. Bye bye.
See you next time. Bye bye.